Hello and welcome to BookThatApp. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up deposit in BTA. So essentially, deposits allow you to charge a partial amount upfront at the time of the booking with the remaining balance to be collected later. So to do this, you'll proceed to Settings, then select Deposits and Bonds. In the Deposit section, you will click on Enable. The first step is to enter the name. This is usually pre-populated for you as deposit. You can leave it as that, but this name is used in Shopify as the deposit product name, so you can change it or you can leave it as that. The next thing to do is to configure your pricing rules. This is where you define how the deposits apply to your products in your store. So the first step is to click on Add Rule. We always have a default first rule here. You will give the rule a name, for example, deposit for bike rental. You will select this to apply to the specific product if you will be applying this only to the bike rental. However, if you want this to apply to all your products, you will click on Global. Then you will decide the pricing type. We have fixed amount and percentage. My fixed amount is usually an exact figure. So for this, you can set this to 30 as an amount, or you can select percentage and choose this to be a percentage of the total price of the actual product. You can also allow full payment. This allows your customers to have the option to preview the full payment. If you're looking to set up different deposit amounts, you can always click on Add Rule and add those amounts differently. For example, if we have another different deposit for appointments, and we'll set this to a fixed amount of $10, we will allow full payment and we will select the specific product, for example, cake pickup with upfront deposit. Then once you set up this different deposits, you will click on Save That. Remember that anytime you need to add a different deposit amount, you will click on Add Rule and follow the exact same steps. We will now proceed to the storefront to see how the customer will see this deposit. Now within the storefront, we will attempt to simulate the customer's experience. We see that the pricing is 70 USD full price, and we see there's two payment options, pay deposits and pay in full. For pay deposit, we see that the deposit is $10. I'll click on next. Then we now see that our customer will only be charged $10. Now we're in part 4, which is finalizing the payment. So when the booking date approaches, or after the booking has taken place, it's time to collect the remaining balance. So to finalize the payment, you will look at the booking in BTA, and we found our booking here with the booking ID as seen on this section. And then you will proceed to more actions, click on finalize payment. So once you click on finalize payment, you see that this will create another order, draft order. And to see that, you can view the balance of payment in Shopify. So once you do that, you see that this created a draft order for us. And as you can see, it removed the $10 that was already added. And this left us with the $60, which was the remainder amount. And you will proceed to collect the payment. Depending on the ways you want to do this, credit card, you can also send the invoice. So this keeps your payment collection organized without needing any manual calculations, as BT handles the math and Shopify handles the invoicing. Thank you for your time.